Hello everybody, my name is Naida and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking lasagna in the microwave. So I will be using microwave safe bowl over here, and I have a pre-cooked lasagna, and I have a cooked spinach. You can use any sauce of your choice, and you can also use your homemade sauce. You can use any kind of cheese, and you can also use a vegan cheese. Salt and pepper. So first I'm gonna layer it with sauce. Make sure that all the bottom is covered. And then I'm gonna put the lasagna. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put sauce in it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some spinach. Salt and pepper. Salt, I'm using kosher salt. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use cheese. And then I'm gonna repeat the process. So this is how it looks like. And then we're gonna microwave it for 2 minutes until the cheese is melted, because everything here is already cooked. Then we're gonna put the cover and we're gonna keep an eye on it. 2 minutes is up. Hot. So this is how it looks like after 2 minutes. My favorite part. Let's eat. The spinach, my favorite. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.